So we're going to talk about how to double your YouTube views just with a simple software. I know a lot of times on these platforms, people say that's easy, but I'm going to express to you why, the logical reason why you're going to be able to do this. But you already know it is. It's your boy Marketing with Dom, and I'm excited. I'll be doing these review videos on softwares that I use to be able to build my six-figure business across YouTube by being in a direct niche and the softwares that I use to get here. Today, we're going to be talking about a software called Lingo Blaster, and I'm going to express exactly what Lingo Blaster will do for you. All right, what's up? So this is Lingo Blaster. I'm actually going through the process right now. Lingo Blaster switches up the language across your YouTube video and submits it to YouTube for you. So here's the thing people don't understand. There's only about 25% of people search in the English language across the whole YouTube platform. So only 25% of the market you're touching by just having it in English. So what you can do here in Lingo Blaster is you're able to take videos that you have, right? You can take videos that you have and you can literally change the language, not on your main video, still searchable in English, and you can go through the process, the top languages that are spoken across the space, and then you're able to convert. I did this really quickly because I want you guys to be able to do this across the platform, and it will convert everything that you wrote in below your video, which really is what people are searching for and what gives them the search, and helps them find it in multiple languages, and then you just have to post it. So my YouTube channel, right, is in a smaller niche, right, and it's only getting bigger. It's not like there's a billion people looking for it. I don't do videos that are based off of what I would consider in a niche, but like I have a small group, and I'm averaging around 30,000 views a month. You know, I'm making about $100 a month from YouTube. But the point is, now that I have international customers, I know I have international customers because they get on the phone calls with me. We talk to them. We get on chat stuff from everywhere around the world. And that's because I use this software to be able to convert what I'm saying across the platform in different languages. And then from there, you can take your captions as well on that same video that you're doing the conversions of your what's in your captions. I call it the bio, like it's Instagram or something, but what you wrote below that, and you're able to do the same thing to the video with what you said in the video, right? Boom, 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 Portuguese, and so you could do I think up to 10 at a time, and you can literally then read all the captions straight from YouTube, and then you can change up all the languages across the platform. If this isn't simple for you, I don't know what is. The link is in the bio. You can actually get this. It's actually a very cheap product for the fact that it changes the game. For me to pay for this software, it takes one customer for me to pay for the gear of the software, right? And it only charges once time. It's not like it's a monthly thing for this. I charge one time, got the software, and I use it on almost all of my videos because I want people to be able to search it in any language that they're putting in there to find it for them to be able to make the money. So I have agencies, creators all around the world that work with me. It was the fastest way for me to get to six figures and to double the amount of subscribers and double the amount of views that I get on my platform. I was only getting like a couple thousand a month, and then when I started using this, I went up to 5 to 10 to 20,000 a month, and now I'm at like 30,000 a month plus. And that's a low month. Actually, I've had months where some went viral and people are searching for it in multiple languages, and they can find whatever I'm looking for or software that I'm giving them to do this. But I sell a course myself in teaching creators how to make money across platforms like OnlyFans, iFans, and stuff like that. But this has truly helped me get way more views and way more customers because they can find it, then they can read what I'm saying across the platform in their language, and they don't have to wait. So if you're sitting here wondering if you should get this, if you're a YouTuber, you should 100% get this, and this will be able to double your YouTube views pretty much within a month. It's 100% worth the money. I don't think that I can even give you an ROI from what it's done to me. Like, it's only cost me, I don't know, like $60 or $70. Probably not even that much, to be honest. I don't even remember the price. I bought it like a year ago. But what I've made in return from people from all different languages, easy six figures. So what I would tell you is the ROI of being able to talk to multiple languages across your YouTube channel and be able to put your message in front of them, fucking priceless. All right, so you have a blessed and wonderful day. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I hope you like the software, but this is how easily I double my views on my YouTube channel. All right, so don't miss out. Links in the bio or links down below.